Introducing the Lumex Stainless Steel Deluxe IV Stand. This video will walk you through how to assemble your Lumex Stainless Steel Deluxe IV Stand. Your IV stand should include an adjustable rod set with collar, one base star connector, 5 base legs with bolts, one base bolt and washer, one IV hook assembly, and one hex key tool set. Please make sure no parts are missing prior to assembly. To assemble the base, install base leg into base star connector. Install base leg screw into base leg and connector and use M6 hex key to tighten. Repeat this step for all base legs. You will need the adjustable rod set and the base bolt and washer for this next step. Install the adjustable rod into the center of the base as shown. Install the flat washer on base bolt and then insert bolt through the bottom of the base going through the lower rod set. Use a small wrench to tighten the bolt. The last assembly step is to install the IV hook assembly on top of the adjustable rod set. Turn it to secure tightly. To adjust height, turn the clutch collar counterclockwise until upper rod is loose. Adjust rod to the desired height and then turn the collar clockwise to tighten, making sure to not over-tighten. Please read user manual for complete instructions and proper usage and maintenance. For more information, visit us online at www.grahamfield.com or contact your local provider.